Hello, my brothers and sisters in Christ. Vicky here, coming to you from Southeast Central Kansas. The Washroom Report. We have a breaking alert in the last hour or so. Southern Iran, Bandar-abbas, at the Gulf of Oman, 5.9 earthquake. Okay? Southern Iran, uh, Bandar-abbas, right there at the Gulf of Oman. Okay, uh, multitudes have felt it. Multitudes. Okay, don't know if it has anything to do with the Bashur nuclear facility that is in the region, if they have been doing underground test firing of their nuclear capabilities. But I wanted to jump on here. It is still March 16th, 2022, and the time here is 8:15 p.m. Central Standard Time. Maranatha.